What was the idea behind Farmers Association Pakistan? There's no shortage of farmer organizations in the country. The idea was collect educated farmers who would introduce technology and would be open to innovation in the agriculture sector. And that is what will give rise to our productivity. One of the challenges that we are facing is productivity. We have land, we have water, we have talented people. What we are not we are not optimally utilizing our land and our water and the skills available in Pakistan. How do we do that? So young, educated, progressive farmers should get together and start influencing government policy. And we started doing that. We made some contribution. There's a lot that needs to be done. So that is what has attracted me to the launch of Khushhal Watan and Khushhal Zamindar. Agriculture is the most important sector of the country. Even today, it's a major employer. Bulk of our population is directly, indirectly linked to agriculture. They're dependent on agriculture. Their existence is dependent on agriculture.